Today, I'm diving deep to find out if I've been making these financial mistakes too. Let's see if I can spot them all. We all strive to manage our finances effectively, but sometimes, we might be unknowingly sabotaging our financial health. Financial mistakes can creep into our lives, affecting not just our bank accounts but also our peace of mind. The specific financial mistakes that can wreak havoc on our finances include overspending, not saving for emergencies, and failing to invest. Overspending is a common pitfall where we spend more than we earn, leading to debt. Not saving for emergencies can leave us unprepared for unexpected expenses, forcing us into debt. And failing to invest means we miss out on potential growth for our savings. Overspending often stems from living beyond our means or not tracking our expenses closely. For instance, frequent dining out or impulse purchases can quickly add up. Not saving for emergencies is another trap. Many of us don't have enough savings to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Failing to invest long-term means missing out on the opportunity to grow our wealth. Let's take a closer look at why people fall into these traps. Sometimes, it's a lack of budgeting or financial goals. Other times, it's the pressure to keep up with lifestyle inflation or simply not understanding the importance of saving and investing. The consequences can be severe, from debt accumulation to delayed financial goals. Among these mistakes, not having an emergency fund could significantly affect financial health. Without it, unexpected expenses can lead to debt. A powerful tip to avoid this is to set aside a small amount each month into a separate savings account. To sum it up, financial mistakes like overspending, not saving for emergencies, and failing to invest can have a significant impact on our financial health. Making informed financial decisions is crucial to avoid these pitfalls. If you've made any of these financial mistakes, comment below and share your experiences. Also, check out my video on personal finance tips for more insights on managing your money effectively.